Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab, and what are we painting today?
A shiny banana.
What is that?
It's from a video game, Roblox Fisch.
Roblox Fish. Okay, well, what do we need for a shiny banana?
We need red, orange, yellow, white, gray, and black.
Okay, let's get to it. Shiny banana. Okay. So first off, what we want to do is we want to start with the eyes. And those are going to be right here. Okay, and then we're going to go down, down, back up. Okay. And then over, and then you're going to come down. Okay, and then you're going to come back and do the same thing here. So up, over, over, and then over. Good. Okay, and then let's make the actual eyeballs. So those would be basically
Pupils.
two rectangles in here. And then one on this side too. All right. Now what we're going to do is start the actual banana part, and we'll go right here and come up and then over, not quite to the end. And you'll find there's going to be a lot of like angles on this one. It's going to be very like rectangular and square like. All right.
Pixels.
So then we come down this way. Okay, and then you're going to change directions and you're going to come down this way. And when you get down to about here, we want to stop. Good, because we're going to make his arm. So we'll go like this and like this. Good. And then like this and like this. Okay, good. And we'll come back to his hands here in a second.
Okay.
All right, and then let's keep going. We're going to come down here and stop. Okay, now let's make a leg. So we're going to have a leg that's going to be like this. And another side like this. Good. And then a little down part. Okay. Now we're going to make a square. Okay. And then watch closely here. We're going to make another, like this is making, we're kind of trying to make a cube here. So it's going to go like this and down. And then like that. Good. Okay. And then the bottom of it's going to go like this. And then you're just going to connect these two. Good. Way to get all the way down there at the end. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to keep going here. And we're going to make a line that looks like that. Like that. Okay, now we're going to start working our way back up. So we're going to go like this. And then it's going to kind of come in a little bit. We want to stop right about there. You could go up maybe a little higher if you want. Okay, good. And now we're going to make his mouth. So his mouth's kind of hanging off the side too. So we're going to go like this. Like this. and then kind of like down. Okay, good. And then like this. Like this. And one like there. Good. Okay. And then we're going to make kind of two more lines here. 1 and 2. Like a big smile kind of. Is he smiling? I guess. Okay. And then we finish it right there. Okay, now let's work on the rest of his arms and legs. So he's got another arm that's like right here. So go like this and like this. Good. And this and this. And if we're going too fast on this, you can always, pause it and rewind if you need to. Okay, good. All right, now let's go ahead and finish his other leg here, and we're going to come this way, this way, and everybody's going to, I'm kind of down on the end here, so you just kind of, there you go. All right, so this one is going to be like this. And then you're gonna go this. That's okay if you're down to the end there, you can just kind of make a block off of, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay. And then we're just gonna make a square here. Okay. And then something like this.
I don't have room, so I can't like.
Yeah, no, that's okay. That's okay. I'm just gonna kind of finish this like that. Okay?
Okay.
He's missing some hands, so his hands are kind of like,
Stars.
yeah, like these star things. So you just kind of make.
I have 2 of these because I play the video game and I have 2 of these.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
okay.
they're really rare.
They're really rare. Okay, well, this is awesome that we're making a rare, shiny banana together. Cool. And then the last thing is like the banana top.
Like the stem.
Yeah, the stem. So we'll make that right here. This guy is grooving. Well, I think it's time to fast forward and bring our shiny banana to life.
Yes. Welcome back, and we are back from fast forwarding, and I think the shiny bananas turned out great.
Yeah, they did.
So we didn't have any brown for like the stem.
Right.
So what we did was we put orange down, the orange. We put some of the orange and we just like kind of like sweeped it, and then we went over with the black and we kind of just like did like the little lines. And then
Right.
we didn't think we had enough like colors. So what we did was we didn't go over this in the beginning, but we added some blue and we made like the pond because that's where you catch the banana, and then we just added some lily pads of grass.
Well, I think this looks great. What else do we have to do?
I think we have to do our signature!
Yeah. Well, we want to thank you for joining us for another creation with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun drawing your shiny banana. We hope to see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Never feeling needy.